Previously, we bounced something off of a program by Lon Milo Duquette, but this one is called Pacts with Darkness, Historical Figures Who Allegedly Met the Devil. People are driven to Satanism by marginalization. Others will want to separate from their youth or establish their position. There is a difference between human rights abuses and Satanism. Those who gained power over others by presencing need their permission, even if indirect, to possess them. It can be said that it is not what you want, but how you get it. Satanic dealings and the crimes of Satanists need distinguished in most cases. Sometimes the stories told indicate things don't go beyond being conscious of them. Evil for entertainment, and even its mention thereof, leads to a deeper involvement. And certainly, we have a lot in terms of consciousness rather than physical occurrence in the claims. And a lot of these meetings and deals with the devil are just people trying to explain how these aristocrats or whoever got the ability or opportunity that they did. Sometimes a person's status keeps assumptions from happening. Sometimes it makes it easier.